Hi guys, welcome back to Shib Kai. Leaked. This is in addition to the 1000% addition to Shiba Inu in November. Shib News: the Shiba Inu team has announced that the Shiba Inu game will be available globally on November 6th. According to the update, the main game developer, Hitoshi Kusama, has given the order to turn on the green light. Although there are no in-depth details at the time of writing, a Twitter Shib official stated that all plans will be in the public domain on November 1. In this video, we will talk about Huge. This is in addition to the 1000% Shiba Inu and November Shib News. Don't forget to smash like, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content. Without further ado, let's start the video. Shib proves why the game is all about community. The meme was trading at 0.1125 USD, an increase of 0.8% in the last 24 hours. However, on October 30, Shib was trading at 11 cents and didn't seem ready to make a profit for the daily ships. The potential for excellent performance looked bleak. An RSI check showed that the graying momentum was not under the control of buyers. Considering its value at 46 ships seems more in line with the neutral condition of its price. However, the wonderful oscillator preferred to stay in the green despite being below the zero line. The moving average convergence divergence showed a slight bullish line as the blue line moved above the red line. Additionally, Shib appears to have been influenced by the whale's waning interest based on the information available in the whale statistics. Shib has not been among the top 10 coins that have traded Ethereum whales in the last 24 hours. However, that did not prevent Shib from owning 5.47% of the total holdings. All of these amounted to $136.95 million. In the past, the accumulation of whales sometimes drove up stock prices. According to the sentiment, the positive and negative sentiments of the ships were partial. On October 30, Shib's positive sentiment was 42. On the other hand, the negative sentiment was 6.98. The original release of the Shiba Eternity blockchain app took place in Australia on September 17th. Shiba Inu followed the biggest sell-off in the market that started on October 13th and rose nearly 7% from October 17-18. Changing market sentiment. However, new information about the game's release may add some hype after the last sale on September 18th. A steady uptrend was observed as this happened only a day after the Australian release. It is possible that long-term token holders have seen an increase in prices and sold their holdings. During this period, the meme coin saw a pullback and fell by 8.5%. The recent price action created a head and shoulders pattern ahead of today's breach. During this breakout, the price increased by 2.9%. According to whale stats, the top 1,000 Ethereum whales have over $147.5 million. The whale stats also considered Shiba Inu to be the token with the highest dollar value. So, there are a few things that Shiba Inu players and investors should be aware of in the future. One of those reasons is that price hikes are often followed by a sharp market correction similar to what we saw on September 18 following the September 17 rally. Shib is trading at 1,137 cents, up 2.5% in the past 7 days. Data from CoinGecko appears on Saturday. As October 6 approaches, we will better understand whether the value of Shiba Inu will increase or decrease further. Bowen, one of the 3 tokens in the Shiba Inu ecosystem and actively used to transact on shibaswap, has attracted the interest of major Ethereum owners. According to whale stats over the past 24 hours, Bowen has become one of the most used smart codes among the top 1,000 whales. Previously only Gray, the main and most sought-after cryptocurrency in the Shiba Inu family, achieved such success, and the Bones were not interested in whales. However, it appears that the coin's nearly 20% rally since the opening of the week and the current crypto winter have not gone unnoticed by major investors. The growth of buying activity and the flow of liquidity to Bowen was facilitated by the recent wave of listings, when the token was included in the price lists of several major cryptocurrency exchanges. However, the expansion of the token on crypto sites is far from over, and as interest in it grows, we can likely expect more announcements. Moreover, in recent weeks, the number of gray bearers has been growing stronger than in previous periods, as I reported today since September 10. The number of new gray titles increased by 40,000 per week. This is 1.5 times more than the previous 3 months. The total number of Shiba Inu holders is approximately 2.2 million. The ship's army is eagerly awaiting the big day for the release of the shibatoken. The second-tier solution is an important development for the Shiba Inu ecosystem. as it will serve as the foundation that supports the upcoming SHIB. Furthermore, the Shibata release is expected to reduce transaction cost and improve transaction speed with the initial launch date set for Q3 2022. Naturally, there are only 3 days left in the timeframe. Soldiers of the army of ships gather on Twitter for the countdown. The official launch date set by the developers is the end of September. However, the Tawhid Fund, the development team that works on the Shiba farm, posted an official announcement on the Medium website with a precautionary clause to be added, or sometime shortly thereafter. According to the documentation, the first line in the update will be Shiba Inu testnet. The testnet phase is crucial for developers looking to build apps on a Layer 2 solution. Developers building on the Shiba farm can provide feedback to Shiba Inu developers and help identify bugs before the mainnet launches, as history approaches ever before. A host of positive Shiba Inu hashtags are trending on Twitter, including Shiba Eternity and SHIB. Almi's excitement for the game escalated after developer William Valk and Shiba Inu leader Hitoshi Kusama revealed important details about the gameplay. Furthermore, Falk revealed that Shiba's immortality was rated 4.9 out of 5 in the Apple Store in the selected countries. It has already been released as the total number of Shiba Inu holders by the hour is increasing. The active community behind the popular meme coin is constantly contributing to the cause of burning the token bearing the title of their beloved dog. According to the latest data from Kyburn, over 61 million Shiba Inu tokens have been ignited in just the last 24 hours. 3 specific developments could help drive up the SHIB's continuing token burning price, as one such catalyst, Vitalik Buterin, did. The basis of this tactic is that lower supply coupled with higher demand will boost the price of chips with such a massive supply of tokens. 549 trillion to be exact. Lots of burning should happen. Another catalyst is web development. A second layer solution known as Shiba Inu is supposed to be in the works to increase network functionality while lowering transaction fees. Shibaswap 2.0 to update the development of a decentralized exchange, and Shiba Inu Metaverse is in progress. The overall goal is to attract more users to support the demand for SHIB and drive its price. But again, these updates cannot compete with Ethereum's dominance. Finally, like many meme-inspired cryptocurrencies, the price induced by Shiba could receive a boost through another huge hype cycle on social media. This has propelled other cryptocurrencies, most notably Dogecoin, to prominence, but it's nothing for Bank One's hard-earned savings trying to predict a particular coin. Price movements based on how much hype you might get on the internet seems like an impossible task. If Shiba Inu were to reach $1 per token, that would mean the entire market capitalization of the cryptocurrency network would be a whopping $549 trillion. That's more than the total global wealth estimated by consulting firm McKinsey & Company. This price target is obviously tough, but nothing is impossible. Shiba Inu has the potential to rise in price and value overnight, and it seems that the SHIB's immortality and the launch of Shiba farms will help it grow. Let's wait for the 6th of October and hope for the best for today. Don't forget to thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content.